Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca, and today I'd like to chat with you about how to conquer procrastination once and for all, part 2. Make a list of all the things that you've been procrastinating and put a time beside how long you think those tasks will take to complete. Quite often we'll procrastinate because we think things are going to take so much longer than they actually do. Also, eliminate perfectionism. Oh my gosh, perfectionism is the thief of time. Just get started on a project and worry about the details as you go along. Getting started is much better than just sitting there thinking about it and pretending about how perfect it's got to be. Who can help you? It's great to delegate some of these tasks that maybe you've been procrastinating because maybe they're not really things that are your strong point. And don't wait until you think you have all kinds of time. We all have the same amount of time every single day, no matter what month it is, year, whatever. So procrastination will happen whether you have 24 hours in a day or whether you were somebody very lucky to have 72 hours in a day. There's more tips below in the article, and so just read through those, give them some thought, and then get started with one item on your list that you've been procrastinating, and imagine how great you'll feel once you have accomplished that task. For more tips, check out GettingItTogether.ca.